Greetings and good afternoon. Here's an exercise in dynamics which I've deemed to be of scholarship and early university level. So, a small particle slides down the arc of a smooth vertical circle starting from rest at the highest point. Find the latus rectum of the trajectory after leaving the circle. The trajectory, of course, would be a parabola. So, if we look at the diagram, let the theta be the angle that the particle is moved through. So the height lost will be PQ, which is r minus r cos theta, which equals r bracket 1 minus cos theta. Now the kinetic energy gained will be the potential energy lost because it's a smooth surface, and that's equal to mgr bracket 1 minus cos theta. So half mv squared equals mgr bracket 1 minus cos theta, which means v squared over r equals 2g bracket 1 minus cos theta. Now, to maintain circular motion, mg cos theta, that's the inward component of the weight of the particle, will be, that's the central component of it, will be, so start at that again. To maintain circular motion, mg cos theta has to equal mv squared upon r, where mg cos theta is the component of the weight along the radius. Okay, so that then equals 2mg bracket 1 minus cos theta, which means cos theta equals 2 bracket 1 minus cos theta, and so cos theta equals 2 upon 3. So the particle leaves the circle when cos theta equals 2 over 3. At this point, substituting in that value, we get v squared equals 2rg bracket 1 minus 2/3. So v squared is 2rg over 3. Now, we now have to look at the projectile motion. So the horizontal component will be, we call that x. X will equal v cos theta times t, the time, and minus y, because we're going downwards, will equal v sine theta t plus half gt squared. Now, the x squared term on eliminating t is half g x squared over v squared cos squared theta, which substituting in all the various values that we've already found, we get gx squared on the top, and on the bottom 2 times 2rg over 3 times 4 over 9, which simplifies to 27x squared over 16r. And the latus rectum is just the reciprocal of the coefficient of x squared, which is 16 over 16r over 27, and that does it. Okay, now if you ask why this is scholarship university level, is because most students will not have been able to see the shortcut that I've taken there, and will go on for about half an hour before they realize their mistake. Okay, so I hope that was instructive, and thank you very much for listening, and sorry for the bit of the hesitation in the middle. I'm afraid I've got a bit of a cold, and that's distracting me. Anyway, thank you again.